It's hot today.
Yeah.
Too hot to bake, I think.
Yeah.
But you still want to bake?
Yes.
Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and this is
Dylan. In today's video, we're making
blueberry lemon cake. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so where did we get the blueberries from, Dylan?
We grew them from the garden.
We did. Well, we didn't actually grow them. They do grow wild at our Abelito and Abelita's house, right? Grandpa and Grandma have blueberry bushes, tons of them. And every year we get some blueberries. So these are some of them. This is actually the bunch that we got. They're not big ones because they're wild and free. They don't have any chemicals to make them grow any bigger or anything like that. But we love making all sorts of treats, right, with the blueberries. And
okay, let's do this.
I know you want to do it, and it's hot, and I don't know why we're baking today. It's super hot. We should be making ice cream with the blueberries. But blueberry lemon cake. Here we go. These are our ingredients. We have blueberries. You need about 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries.
We have milk.
You have buttermilk. And here's a trick. If you don't have buttermilk at home, don't run to the store and get buttermilk. Just put a teaspoon of, why did I forget the name? A teaspoon of vinegar inside your regular whole milk, and it'll make it buttermilk if you just let it set for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then we need
home or grandpa and grandpa.
You gotta tell your grandpa and grandma to have blueberry trees. Is that what you're gonna say?
You can do that too every day. So watch this video now.
All right, guys. So you better start your own blueberry bushes in your grandpa and grandma's house. Okay, what is this? How many butter sticks?
2.
2 sticks of butter or 1 cup of butter. Then we have 3 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So that's in there. Then we have some sugar. We have regular granulated sugar, and we have, what's that color? Brown, light brown sugar. So you're gonna want to do 1/2 cup of brown sugar and about 1.5 cups of regular granulated sugar. And then you want, how many eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 eggs. And you want them room temperature. And here's another trick. If your eggs have been in the fridge and you need room temperature eggs, which is better for baking, just take them out and pour a little bit of hot water and let it go for like about a minute so that it can kind of get there, not cook, but get there into room temperature, and then that's about it. And then what are we gonna need? 1 lemons, about 3 lemons for your juice, lemon juice.
Yeah.
And 2 zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, okay?
Mommy.
Yes.
Is this what we do to the butter?
No, that's for the lemons. You're gonna do it in a second. Okay, and then you're gonna need a little bit of flour that you wanna sprinkle for your blueberries so that they don't sink down in your cake. So we're gonna do that, right? And then we're just gonna, see, just coat it so that they don't sink down. You can do a lot with this recipe. You can also make them into like cupcakes. You can freeze it. It freezes very well, which is probably what we're gonna do because look how many blueberries we have. We need to make a lot of cake. Maybe we'll make some for our neighbors, right? Okay.
Yes!
Okay, so first, let's do cream the butter. Ready? You know, shut it down.
Mix the mix.
And stir. I'm gonna cream it right there. Cream, cream, cream. Maybe speed it up a little bit. Ooh. That looks good. You want to put this in? Or maybe let's do it this way. Okay, you want to go? Go. Mix it, yeah, there you go. And while that's going, let's crack the eggs. Yeah, leave it like that. You want to crack the eggs?
Yes.
My little trick when you're cracking eggs with kids. Okay, crack it. You gotta crack it harder. Crack it on the table. Now, in here. There you go.
We got a little yolk on me.
I know. That way, no yolks, no shells.
Oh, shells.
Yeah, it's okay. They're gonna go down. And no shells, because we're gonna catch them. Okay, next. A little bit harder. Okay, ready? And then you're gonna, whoop. Yes, now you can go ahead and pour it there. Okay, ready? Let's do the lemon. This is what you're gonna do. Look, you're gonna put it and you're gonna go like this. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Okay, get started. Hold it with one hand. Ready? Okay, put it inside and start doing that. Oh, this one's a little harder. Okay, maybe I need to do this one. It's a little harder. The other one was soft. See all the juice?
Yeah.
Cool.
It smells the worst.
It smells the worst?
Yeah.
Well, you like lemons. He actually eats lemons with the skin and everything.
Yeah, and I eat the whole thing.
He eats the whole thing. I'm gonna do this so that it doesn't mix. So we don't get any of the seeds.
We got a seed in there.
No, we didn't get a seed.
Okay. What's next?
Now, mix it. Okay, good. And now, we've already sifted the salt and the baking powder and flour. So we're just gonna add little bits. Let it go.
No.
Hold on.
Now it smells like dough.
Let's put the lemon zest in here as well, okay?
Come on. Now we need a blueberry.
Not yet, that's the last thing that we're gonna do.
Are we doing the milk now?
Let's put all of this in here, make some more room. All right, let's see. Let me scrape off some of this.
When can I just taste one taste, Mom?
Yes, you can taste one taste. All right. Okay, this is the, I forgot to put the vanilla because you make me so busy. I have to keep an eye on you and I forget things. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Don't eat. Now we can't give people the cake because you just licked the thing. I'm gonna have to. How does the machine go? How delicious, show me how delicious this cake is gonna be. With your body. So much! Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Let's see. We gotta make sure that the edges are all good and mixed in.
I ate 1 piece.
Okay, that's good.
Now can we put the blueberries?
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Blueberries fell.
Yeah.
We'll put them on there.
Okay. I'm gonna do that.
You just put the thing, sinking the thing down.
Just like a little bit. Okay. Just do one turn. Just like that. We don't want to do too much. Okay. So Dylan chose these forms to make the cake. We're just gonna like put the butter.
Mommy have a cake head.
Yeah?
Have a cake batter head.
Have a cake batter head? Okay.
Yeah,
Hold on.
have a cake batter head. We don't have a cake batter.
No?
But we have a new one.
Okay, ready? Put a little bit of flour in here. Okay, and then I go like this so that it doesn't stick. Are you gonna be a baker when you grow up?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah, and my other job is gonna be fire rescue.
Fire rescue and a baker.
Yeah, because when I'm lit, I want to be little to be bigger.
Yeah, you want to be little to be bigger?
No.
You want
to be little to bake.
Oh, okay, I see.
Because when I grow up, I want to be a fireman.
He wants to be a fireman.
Yes.
Okay.
That's going to be my job.
That's going to be your job? And then you're going to bake for your fireman people, for all the people at your job?
Yeah, because...
Hi, Logan. Are you going to eat some of this delicious cake Dylan is making?
Maybe later.
As you can see, this kitchen is pretty busy because we have people coming in to get some snacks. Okay, you want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's good. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the big one.
Let's see. Let's see how much it is. Maybe I could take some to work. I'm sure the people at work would be super happy with this cake that you made.
There's thick, and
okay, let's see.
Bart. We big,
okay.
back.
Some more in there. Now it's time to put it in the oven. You cannot put it in the oven because it's hot. Mommy's gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven, 350 degrees.
No,
and
2 minutes.
Not for 2 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
That's very hot.
Okay, we're gonna bake that for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. Everybody's different. I have a crazy oven, so I gotta keep an eye on it. I'll put a 20-minute mark and then I'll check it and then go back if it's not ready. And that's about it. So next time we see, we will be eating I can't wait.
It's done, everybody.
It's done. This guy, we took a little bit of a break because it needed to cool off. I cooled off in the pool. Where did you go?
What?
Where did you go?
The monster truck. Yeah.
He went to go see a monster truck show, and when he came back, the cake is ready, right?
Yeah.
But we gotta top it off.
Whipped cream.
We made whipped cream. Simple whipped cream. It's just heavy cream, little teaspoon of vanilla, and some powdered sugar. And we always make it at home because it's nice and fresh, right? So we're gonna put the whipped cream.
Yes.
And we're gonna top it with some blueberries on top.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do first.
Okay, you go ahead. Lop it. Want to spread it a little bit, or you just want to blops? Not gonna look super cute, but maybe like this, like little blops of blops is a technical word.
Like that.
I like blopsies, blobbies. But we want a nice, cool summer dessert.
We're cutting the cake. We love cake, right, Mom?
I know, it's gonna be so good. All right, do you want to taste it?
That's
Yes, winner. Let me taste it.
there's blueberry, lemon.
And that's my easy blueberry and lemon cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out some of my other videos for some more DIY tips or recipes, right, Dylan?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like mommy's cooking? Yeah, he does. Thanks for watching.
Bye.